Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, western Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Blanchardville to near Argyle, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, Mount Horeb, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Shorewood Hills, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Barneville, Wheaton, and Blue Mounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.